Most administrators still think about identity as login. That assumption is exactly why modern identity feels confusing, because identity today is not a login step. It is a system of decisions. Identity used to answer one question: are you who you say you are? If yes, access was granted. Security boundaries were built around networks. Being inside often meant trusted. Identity was a gate, simple, static, binary. But that model no longer works. Cloud computing removed the perimeter. Users connect from anywhere. Devices are mobile and personal. Applications are SaaS-based. Data lives outside traditional networks. The question changed. Identity now asks, should this person have access right now under these conditions? Not just who are you, but what device are you using? Is it compliant? Where are you connecting from? Is the sign-in risky? What resource are you trying to access? That is continuous evaluation. Modern identity evaluates signals. User signals, device signals, location signals, risk signals, role signals, session behavior. These signals combine into a decision. That decision may allow access, require MFA, require a compliant device, block access, or step up authentication. Identity is no longer a gate, it is a logic engine. Many environments still treat identity like a feature. They enable MFA, they configure conditional access, they create policies. But without the right mental model, it feels unpredictable. Prompts seem inconsistent, controls overlap, access feels layered. That is because identity is not a single rule. It is multiple rules evaluated together. When you treat identity like a feature, you configure settings. When you treat identity like a system, you design logic. That difference changes everything. Identity is not static. People join, they change roles. They gain temporary access. They leave, access evolves. Without lifecycle control, permissions accumulate. Not because admins are careless, but because identity changes over time. Modern identity must account for time. Conditional access is where this system becomes visible. It evaluates signals, it combines requirements, it enforces decisions. Conditional access is not the identity system. It is one enforcement layer within it. Understanding identity as a system makes conditional access logical. Without that model, it feels chaotic. Is identity treated as a feature in your environment, or as a system of decisions? If you work with identity regularly, this channel is about building clear mental models, not just memorizing settings. Progress, actually.